good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video. Please, if today is your first time of seeing my channel, please do us a favor by pressing the subscribe button and subscribe. Please, 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 we beg you to join us so that we can build this platform. We really appreciate you, those that have subscribed. Just follow me as I show you a step by step on how you can create this um, cheaper cash app on so that it will enable you. You will get your Visa card to enable you to pay, buy, or receive to receive dollar from other countries. Yes, I will show you the step by step. You'll be surprised. What I'm going to show you. Just follow me. Just relax. Take your seat and relax while I show you step by step on how you can do it. Just let's go. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to go to your app store or your Play Store to download Cheaper Cash. Install it. Install it from your Play Store or App Store. It's very simple. After you have installed it on your App Store or your install it on your phone, the next thing again you say welcome to Cheaper, the broadest way to receive money. After then, you see another thing again. He said, enter your telephone number, your mobile number to continue. You put your telephone number to continue the process because this is where they are going to ask you your telephone number for you to continue. They will send you messages and other things. I will show you just now where they will ask you where you verify your number. You say, please enter the 6 digit code we sent to you. They have sent mine to this number that I'm using for educational purpose. Now, when they send this number, I put it for the 6 digit number to verify it. Now I press continue. The next one I see again is you see what is your primary purpose for using Cheaper Cash. You can select up to three. You have one here: service or investment, buy or sell goods and services, and buy or sell properties. So you select up to three. You have chances to select up to three. There are many that will display there. You select up to three. Now after then you see it say please enter your legal first and last name, your father's name, and your own personal name. So all the information will be displayed on the page as soon as you install the app. So it's very simple for you to do. Now after that you say when is your birthday? You put your birthday just like as it is here now. I use my own now here. I put my birthday. You put your own birthday, just to complete all the processes. Then after then you see enter your address. I enter my own address. I'm using all those things for educational purpose. This is not my real address. You that are thinking that this is my address. So then after then you say please tell us your nationality and place of birth. So for me, I'm from Nigeria. I put Nigeria. I'll put Nigeria there. So nationality, you put your own nationality. Any country you are from, you put your nationality. After then, you see another one again. It says you create your unique 4 digit PIN. You have your secret PIN. Is that one is only that knows it. You put your secret PIN. Then after then, we see another page. It said add here. You can add cash, buy airtime, data bundles, and pay your bills. Okay, so here you can add money from your local account to your wallet. You can fund your wallet from your local account because they are going to ask you to verify your account by providing your BVN, your national identity, whatever. Now you see you can add your cash out and check rate. Here they will ask you to provide your identity. You can link your bank account to this and it's secured. Then after then you said claim your card. Now you can claim your card. You see the card by the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 4 things there. You see the fourth one. They claim your card. You click on that card. They will ask you some questions. When you click on this card, you ask you for some questions like the question they are going to ask you. Say we just need a bit more information to use card. Cheaper must collect additional information to comply with the local regulations. Get started in just 3 seconds. It's simple. It's not, there's no fear about that. Then they will ask you to do selfie, just for them to know, to be sure of you are real. So once that one is done, of course, they will ask you to provide your identity. Once all those things is done, you are good to go. They'll give you your PIN. They'll give you your PIN, your Visa card, with the digit number, and the expiring date will be written on that thing. So it's simple to do. It's simple to use. I am enjoying my own. I pray you too will enjoy yours in Jesus' name. So if today is your first time of watching my program, watching my channel, or coming across to my channel, or you enjoy this channel, you enjoy this teaching today, please do us a favor by subscribing, hit the notification button, so that when next we upload video, you will be the next to be notified. Please, thank you for joining us. Thank you for supporting us. May God bless you for joining in Jesus' name. Until we see again.